it's Kirsten from WTI. I'm so excited to say that curling your hair has gotten so much easier thanks to this 3-in-1 curling wand from ecojia. So maybe you're like me and you kind of lack the skills required to style your hair. I fell in love with this product. It's a total game changer. I used to curl my hair using a curling wand, putting a glove on, wrapping my hair around, trying not to get burned, but this just takes all the work out of your hands. It's amazing. So this curling wand is incredible because it comes with 3 different size barrels. I personally really like long, loose curls. I don't like really tight ringlets, so I've been using the 1.25-inch barrel and I'm thrilled, but it's so easy to change the 3 barrels out of this curling wand. There's a lock button, so there's no fear that it's gonna fall out, and it heats up really, really fast. And I love how there's 3 different temperatures based on your hair type. Mine is quite thin and it's color treated, so I use the 190 degrees Celsius and I find that works really effectively on my hair. You simply just put your hair in between these teeth here and you press there's one button. So you want it to rotate so the hair goes all the way around the barrel. You want to wait about 8 to 10 seconds and then you can press the other way so it unravels your hair and instantly you have a curl. I curled my whole head of hair. It took me about 20 minutes because I was using smaller portions, but it of course varies on your hair type and your desired curl result. I'm just so thrilled with this because I can throw away my curling wand, my traditional curling iron. This replaces everything. It's so user-friendly and it comes so nicely packaged. I can't imagine receiving a better gift if you have nice long hair and you love to have it curly. So I highly recommend this product. I know you'll love it as well, but that's just my point of view.